Alright, everybody, we're going to check out the Bowman Football. We want to see what it's all about. Purchase at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com. And 105 delivered, guys. That's actually a really good price. So, let's see who I can get. I don't know how many autos. Does anybody know how many autos in a box? Just one, maybe? 4! 4 autos and a relic per box. You guys leaving? Okay. Alright, hold on one second. You okay?
We got to get out there live to watch as the bases are loaded in the top half.
Alright, back to my box. My credit card's out there somewhere in my wallet.
Let's listen into Fox Sports Midwest.
So 4 autos, that's pretty cool. There's only 10 packs. So that'll work. Uh-oh, got a red refractor right off the bat, huh? That's pretty cool. Alright. Jacquiz, DeMarco Murray, Brandon Marshall, CJ's Brandon, Andrew Luck, Vaughn Miller. Here's some rookies. Alright, let's see what we got here. We've got a black. Alright, that's not numbered, so I'm not going to worry about that. There's supposed to be some numbered cards. Like 4 per pack, but I don't see numbers on this. So maybe I read it wrong. Thanks. Anyway, I did get a red refractor. I guess I didn't get a red refractor because it's numbered to 199. So I guess that's not a red refractor, is it? Alright, so I got one of those. I got Joe Hayden, a parallel. DeAndre Hopkins, mini. And Roddy White to 99 die cut. I could have sworn it said that there would be 5 numbered cards. Maybe it said 5 parallel cards. Maybe that's what it said. Anyway. Alright, let's go on.
Arizona trying to win for the 7th time in their last 10 games. They get the big
Yep. Yep, Nick, that is exactly the God's honest truth. A bunch of guys, I don't know. Alright, we got an auto in this one. So, Mike Williams. Kaepernick. See, I know some guys. Alright, what do we got here? We got Eddie Lacy, Rogers, Michael. We got an orange this time. That's the $2.99. What's up, Will?
I don't think that looks like the prototypical second baseman right there.
No, you look at his body type. You know, he kind of profiles as a third baseman type.
Kenjan Barner, mini, and that's really mini. DeMarco Murray. Check it out. 50 of 50 on the DeMarco Murray. eBay 1 of 1. Woo! And an Affleck, sort of Affleck. James Nelson. James Nelson. Never heard of James Nelson. Hit an auto. Moving on. So we've got 1 auto and 1 relic so far. Oh, got another auto.
It's the uncoiling part and just this big finish in the wrap.
Yeah, but Julio would have hit that ball to right center field.
Alright, we got gold. $3.99. Cecil Shorts. Jonathan Franklin. And Lonnie Pryor. Refractor. Lonnie Pryor.
Shorter, compact, that swing, but that ball right there, the only thing he could do.
Alright, 2 autos down. Royals win. That makes sense. Alright, let's see what we got here.
It's my experience that the shorter arm guys rarely pick up a check.
Geno Smith, heard of him.
Let me tell you a little story about a man named Jed.
Christian Ponder to 50. Ryan Swope, $3.99. Demarius Moore. Kasim Green. And Andre Johnson. Die cut, but this one doesn't have a number on it. Well, you know, it's really, really popular apparently on the blowout boards. People are pretty happy with it, so I mean, it can't be all bad. It's just because I don't know what the hell I got. Red to 199. I don't know what these are. Nico Johnson. Brandon Jenkins to 99. Lot of color. Got to give them that, man. We've hit a lot of color. Hoopster, what's up, buddy? I saw you call somebody else a knucklehead not too long ago, like in a post today or something. All right, let's see here. Barkley, Ansah, Green, Nico, Eli Manning, Arthur Brown to 499. Steve Johnson, there's no number. Jonathan Banks and Arian Foster. All right, so I've hit 3 autos and my relic. Yeah, right.
At Jiffy Lube, we're highly trained in more ways than one. From oil changes,
Gillisley. Harper, we hit Harper. Where's Hoos? Hoos, we hit a Harper rookie.
we also have access to vehicle
Andre Ellington.
recommendations, to service,
Jordy Nelson
model.
to 99 on the Jordy.
Not to mention, we use the
And
advanced technology
Mingo.
in Pennzoil motor oil.
And Jawan Jameson. I think that's another refractor. Yep, refractor on the Jameson.
.com/TV for deals in a location near you.
All right, so I hit 4 autos. Let's see if I can get something bonusy. For reals? Excellent. Well, I paid for my box. I don't know about you guys. Uh-oh, we got something really shiny. I wonder what that's going to end up being. With all the color, I think we ought to be able to hit some superfractors. Huh? Sean Renfrey. Chance Warmack. That's to 499. Chris Patton. Daryl Revis. Ryan Nassib. All right, how rare is this, guys? Any idea? Let's find out. It's not rare at all. There's no number on it. It looks like, you know what? It's probably the Silver Ice. Yeah, Silver Ice. I'm thinking we hit like a 1 of 1 or a 5 of 5 of something. All right, so my $300 card's not really a $300 card. Thanks a lot, you jerk. What a jerk. What a real jerk. All right. I got to hit another card since that one's not really... Uh-oh, I got a mini with an auto. That's cool. All right. So that's my, what, 5th auto then? The mini with the autos of auto number 5? All right, we got orange. That's not the one with the auto, don't worry. $2.99. We got Manti Te'o. That would be cool if that one had the auto. Jermaine Gresham. And here's the auto, not numbered. Are you kidding me? Chase Thomas. Autoed mini. Not numbered. You'd think that would be numbered. All right, so let's see if we can. What else we can get? Yeah, that's fine. Just make sure it's packed real well. Uh-oh, looks like we got red ice. Ndamukong Suh. And Christine Michael to $3.99. Harper. We got Harper. Jake Locker. Kenny Vaccaro. And red ice. 2 of 25 on my Arthur Brown red ice. That's pretty cool. I don't know. I like the box. I think it was a nice box. So, Chase Thomas, I got nothing. I don't know. Jawan Jameson, Brandon Jenkins to 99, Lonnie Pryor, and then some dude.
Sure, Jeff Keppinger makes it a 2-run game. White Sox on top 5-1 now. Bottom of the 14th for Kyle Seager.